from my amazing Happy Mail from Terri Woods. Only got a few more things to show you. I will, if you haven't seen my first part, and go and watch that. There's some amazing things in there. So I'll continue. She sent me a Crafter's Companion dies, like an edge die. That'll be fun. Oh, it cuts and embosses as well, so it's not just a die, it's it embosses as well. So thank you very, very much. And then here, oh, these look interesting. Oh, these are hankies, aren't they pretty? Isn't that pretty? That's gorgeous. And then this, oh, there's 3 there. And then this one. That is so, oh, that's, what does that say? Spokane, Washington. Oh. And then this one here. This is very delicate with the lovely lace edging. And then we have this lovely lace. That's pretty. And more lace. Oh my gosh, I'm so spoiled. Thank you so much, Terry. That is gorgeous. I'm going to be scared to use this. Right, so that is everything. Then she sent me a bendy ruler, because I was talking to her about my Tim Holtz ruler, which I think I've bought 4 of them in about 18 months, and all the grid marks keep coming off, and the metal thing, you know, the metal bit, that's always popping off on it. This is dirty. The reason it's dirty is because the last one, every time I kind of cleaned it, that's when all the grid marks were coming off. So I don't clean it anymore. So yeah, she got me this bendy ruler, and I like it because it's got the center point on it. I do need that center point, otherwise I get confabulated. So yeah, it was nice and bendy, so it bent really well in the box, because if it didn't bend I wouldn't have got it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. So thank you so much. I got all this lovely stuff to play with. I can't pull everything back out onto here, but like I said, watch my part 1 to see all the other bits that I got, and I can't wait to use some of it. I'm so excited. I'll be sitting here thinking, what do I want to play with first? So Terry, thank you so much, and I'll probably be talking to you in a minute after this video anyway. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will link Terry's YouTube channel below. Please go and subscribe to her channel. She makes the most amazing journals. They are chunky, they are full, they're packed, they're just gorgeous. They really are gorgeous journals. So yeah, please go over and check her channel out and subscribe. And if you've got any questions about this, ask Terry. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.